Hi, welcome to JetBraid Developers. Learn how to code with ease and reach your greatness. Okay, today we are going to kickstart the creation of our first web page. Obviously, that should be our home page, our index page, a home page or index page precisely for technical know-how. Okay, previously I encouraged us to download some tools in order to get our platform for the web development ready. I asked us to install Adobe Suite, and you can see Fireworks, Dreamweaver. If you check my Adobe files, you can see that a whole lot of them are there. So I have the suite in my system, and if you check, you can see that my bracket is also available. I want you to get all these tools available in your system, installed in your system. It will be a good deal of tools for you. Okay, if you got the Dreamweaver, you can get it started. Okay, this will be your Dreamweaver IDE first page. You can see there are already predefined features for us. All right, and you can see the features, other tabs that open up here for us to use. So all of these will be your workspace layout. Okay, if you're interested in changing your workspace layout, all you need to do will be to come over to the Windows area, click on window, and get to your workspace layout. So you can see that by default we're on designer's workspace layout. So it is that gave us all of this layout that we're seeing. That is the very page you're looking at now. So you can decide to choose any one or another one. Look at what coders look like. Wow, you see that? So that means coders means you are focused on coding. That means you can go to any file and begin to code on it. All right, let me just click on this so that you understand what I mean by that. Okay, so coders, these are the files I'm working on. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, they are just the files I'm working on. So main coders, you are focused on coding and not more, not less. You can do other things, but those ones are secondary. Your primary focus is to code and code and code. Try some other ones out. Okay, you can see we have or dual screen. You can get dual screen. Okay, you can see that a lot of things are already working in here. So yeah, it's just a matter of choosing what you really want, please. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to come back to our default, that's designers. Okay, you see this is our default. All right, on our default we can actually make a user defined workspace. So to get our user defined workspace, go to Windows, and on the workspace layout you can just go to new workspace. But before you do that, you need to just make some changes to what you're seeing already. You can make some changes to what you're seeing already, and maybe let's pull this one out, and maybe one of our desired styles to be this side, or you want your file here to be the side beside it, and then you want design style to be back here. Okay, so you want something like this, and you still want something like this over here. All right, you may want this to join this one up. You can make a lot of changes on this page. Okay, you can push around things. It depends on what you want. And once you're done with that, go back to Windows, go back to workspace, and then down here you can say new workspace. You can call it my workspace, my underscore workspace 1. Okay, you save it. So when you save it, check it up, and then you could see we have, all right, this was the one I did previously. So you have 2 of them. You can manage your workspaces. Obviously you're gonna see 2 of them. You can delete anyone, you can rename any one of them, you can do a whole lot of things there. Okay, so that means you can create a layout, a workspace layout on your IDE, or your Dreamweaver IDE, the way you want it, without choosing from the already predefined workspace layouts here. Okay, so you can still see what this one looks like. All right, Okay, you can see the changes that took place, and if that is the case, we'll just want to come back to our default, which is designers. Okay, this will be our default, right? So that was a quick brush up, so don't be scared of Dreamweaver IDE. Alright, so going on, for us to get our first web page layout, you can see this more here. This more, you could just click on it. When you click on it, you have lots of options. Now this is language types, the page types regarding with their languages. Okay, so this is ASP, and this is Code Fusion, this is Java server page, PHP, CSS. So with regards to the different languages, computer languages, we have page types. Okay, and then just by the other column beside it, you can see the layout actually. So when you choose a language type, say HTML that we're working on right now, you can see different layouts you can get from that. Just look beside it, you can see what I'm showing you here. Okay, so here you can see that you have a page that is liquid. Liquid means it's responsive, okay, and is centered. So things will be centered on the page, and it's responsive. So that means this very springy outline here, you can see that on some other ones. It means that it's going to be responsive on different devices, whether it's a mobile, whether it's a palm device, whether it's a computer desktop or laptop, whatever size the screen is. This will tend to fit in. That's what it means. Okay, so you could go there, you can just tilt around there to see other layouts that you can get, but we're focusing on HTML, don't forget. Hi, thanks for watching. In order to learn more from my free tutorials, kindly follow these links and also subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get my latest insightful tutorials once they're uploaded. You can like, comment, and ask your questions, and it will be my pleasure to provide you with the best solutions. Don't forget to invite your friends by clicking on share. God bless you and welcome to greatness.